Morning guys, it's November 26th. It's 5:37 right now. We just got up. It's opening day of gun season here in Ohio. And it's 44 degrees out right now. We got some rain that just pushed in, but we're gonna go out and sit anyways. Hopefully we can get something. But stay tuned and we're gonna get wet I think, but that's hunting.
Alright guys, it's 7:09 on the stand, but it's raining really bad, so I'm gonna have to keep the camera put away for right now. So stay tuned if it maybe get some GoPro footage of a shot. Alright guys, so we were literally just about to film our open scene and freaking buck walks in. But we slammed him with the 444, so give him a couple minutes, we'll get down.
Well, here he is, guys. Just a little 3 points, nice bodied, nice sized deer, and it's gonna fill the freezer up. So not the big buck we wanted, but guess what? You can't eat the horns. So one down, go inside, get in our doe tag, and we'll get back at it.
All right, guys, it's 10:25. We got the first deer in, got it tagged up, hanging. And got it all field dressed and everything, sitting in the barn. So now we're back out here getting our doe tag, and the rain finally stopped. Hopefully it holds off the rest of the day. So it's just miserable this morning, but it's 47 degrees, kind of really warm. Not what we want for gun season, but we got one on the ground, hanging in the garage, and plenty of daylight left, so stay tuned and hopefully we get a nice big doe. Hey guys, it's November 27th, second day of gun season here in Ohio. got a lot of snow last night. Probably about 4 or 5 inches. It's 7:02 right now and it's 28 degrees out. We're hoping to see a little deer movement this morning and hopefully to get some nice big doe to come in. Alright guys, it's 9:30. We haven't seen anything yet, which is hard to believe. I got down here a little bit ago and walked around a little bit just to get some blood flow in the feet. My feet are frozen right now. But yeah, I didn't see nothing, seen a bunch of tracks. So my dad's actually walking around right now just trying to do the same thing, get some blood flow in his feet. So just gonna sit it out and hopefully something runs by. So just gotta be patient and sit here and wait. Alright guys, it's 2:34. We're in a different stand watching this field. We're actually facing into the woods hoping to catch them as they're coming out. But they're bedding in this field out here, so we're gonna hang out and hopefully we get something to walk by. Stay tuned. So it's just now 4 o'clock. We're at only about 10 shots today, which is barely any at all. But just had a guy walk out in the property behind us. He's going out, so maybe he'll kick something up to us. But tomorrow should be a good day. We got a big push set up. Got about 6-7 guys gonna be going out to my buddies, and my buddy, gonna set us up in a couple of stands, me and my dad. So shout out to Philly, and hopefully we can get it done tomorrow. Hopefully some will come in. If nothing does, then that'd be wrap it up for day 2, northeastern Ohio gun season. So it's about 28 degrees right now. It's getting chilly, so it's good. As long as the snow keeps falling. Alright guys, it's still 28th. It's 12:45. We just got in the stand. We're getting set up for night and afternoon here. It's 30 degrees right now. It's starting to kind of drizzle a little bit, but we're hoping it's going to cool off and this will turn to snow because we really don't want to get all wet. But hopefully we get a nice big doe to come in and be able to smoke her, put some meat in the freezer. So stay with us and we'll get it done. Guys, it's November 29th. It's Thursday. Say it's 24 degrees right now. There's like no wind. It's perfect. Last couple days have been pretty miserable being here in the stand. But we got barely any wind today, and we're ready to get this thing done and over with, man. I want to get a doe in the freezer so we can be done hunting, because man, it's kind of miserable. Take 2 weeks off of vacation and all you do is sit in a tree and see one deer. Alright guys, it's now 1:15. We got the stand moved. It actually warmed up a little bit. It's 30 degrees now. We're now set up on this really nice pine here. Got some branches down around us, so we're like tucked away in here. We're actually able to, behind us, we got the creek runs right behind us. We're actually able to cover the whole creek bottom now. And we're still able to shoot out in the field. And these deer come out from the field and they just cross down through, right out through the creek. So we're gonna have the whole thing covered now as far as this whole end of the field where they really cross when they push. So we're set up, we're ready to do it. We'll see what happens tonight. Hopefully the good Lord will bless us. You're sitting in the stand. Gotta watch your buddy's YouTube channel. Check him out, Blake Hinkle. It's on YouTube. Does vlogs, funny stuff. Some funny videos. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, that's fine, but it can be lower. And when I go to church, I'm gonna turn it off anyway. So.
Alright, Grandma, you see now with this phone, when you use it, it doesn't use.
Just smoked a doe, guys. Alright, guys. It's just now 5 o'clock. We're gonna get down and we're gonna go look and see if we got any blood. So stay with us and we'll see what happens. 2018 was a great season for me. Got to see my son get his first deer. I got a buck on opening day of gun season and finished the week out with a nice big doe. Can't wait to see what 2019 brings us. And if you guys like these videos, like and subscribe. Leave comments down below if you want to see more videos like this. And thanks for watching.